Induction hot plates are a smarter, faster, safer and greener way to cook. The electromagnetic technology creates heat directly and only in the pan itself, providing you with the most efficient way of cooking. One of the main advantages of induction is speed. You can boil almost twice as fast as gas and 30% faster than a ceramic hob. The power boost option also provides extra heat whenever you need it. Intuitive technology gives you precise and responsive control. It's perfect for delicate, low-heat cooking, which means you can melt chocolate directly in the pan. Induction is designed with your safety in mind. Safety shutdown and overheat detection automatically turns off your hob if left unattended, whilst a child lock disables all hob controls for added safety. Heat is restricted to just the surface area of the pan so food spills don't burn on, making them much easier and safer to clean. As this ice cube demonstrates, because you're heating just inside the pan itself and not anywhere else, the surrounding surface stays much cooler. This means induction hot plates can use 30% less energy than a gas hob and 25% less than a ceramic hob. Most pans with a ferrous metal base will work on induction. If a magnet connects to the base of your pan, it will work.